MBA Crash Course on Business Ethics and Corporate Social Responsibility. Introduction. In the ever-evolving landscape of business, ethics and social responsibility have become crucial pillars for sustainable success. As businesses strive to create value for their stakeholders, it is imperative to prioritize ethical conduct and embrace corporate social responsibility. This MBA crash course will delve into the principles of business ethics and explore the concept of corporate social responsibility. We will discuss real-world examples, examine pressing ethical issues, and highlight the top 12 ethical challenges faced by businesses today. By understanding and integrating these principles, future business leaders can navigate complex ethical dilemmas and contribute to a more ethical and responsible business environment. Chapter 1: Business Ethics and Corporate Social Responsibility, an overview. In this chapter, we will explore the fundamental concepts of business ethics and corporate social responsibility. We will discuss how ethical behavior and responsible practices are intertwined with long-term business success. By examining case studies and industry examples, we will understand the importance of ethics in decision-making and the impact of social responsibility on brand reputation and stakeholder relationships. Chapter 2: The Power of Purpose and Values. Ethics starts with a strong foundation of purpose and values. In this chapter, we will explore how businesses can define their purpose and core values and align them with ethical conduct. We will discuss the role of leadership in setting an ethical tone at the top and fostering a culture of integrity throughout the organization. Real-life examples of companies that have successfully integrated purpose and values into their operations will be examined. Chapter 3: Stakeholder Management and Engagement. Business ethics and social responsibility require a holistic approach that considers the interests of various stakeholders. In this chapter, we will analyze the significance of stakeholder management and engagement. We will discuss strategies for identifying and prioritizing stakeholder needs, building relationships, and ensuring transparent communication. Through case studies, we will learn how organizations can navigate conflicting stakeholder interests and make decisions that benefit multiple parties. Chapter 4: Ethical Decision-Making. Ethical decision-making is at the core of business ethics. In this chapter, we will explore frameworks and models that can guide ethical decision-making processes. We will discuss the importance of ethical awareness, analysis of alternatives, and consideration of consequences. Real-world ethical dilemmas will be examined, allowing students to practice applying ethical decision-making frameworks to complex scenarios. Chapter 5: Corporate Social Responsibility and Sustainability. Corporate social responsibility, CSR, goes beyond legal and ethical obligations. In this chapter, we will delve into the concept of CSR and its relationship with sustainability. We will explore how businesses can integrate environmental, social, and governance (ESG) factors into their operations. Through examples, we will see how CSR initiatives can positively impact society and the environment while creating long-term value for businesses. Chapter 6: Top 12 Business Ethics Issues. This chapter will highlight the top 12 ethical issues faced by businesses today. We will examine each issue in detail, discussing its impact on businesses and society. The issues covered may include topics such as data privacy and security, workplace diversity and inclusion, fair trade practices, environmental sustainability, and more. By understanding these challenges, students will be better equipped to navigate ethical dilemmas in their future careers. Chapter 7: Case Studies in Business Ethics. Real-world case studies provide valuable insights into ethical challenges faced by organizations. In this chapter, we will analyze prominent case studies that have made headlines in recent years. We will discuss the ethical dimensions of each case, examine the consequences faced by the organizations involved, and explore lessons learned. These case studies will encourage critical thinking and foster discussions on ethical decision-making. In conclusion, the field of business ethics and corporate social responsibility plays a crucial role in shaping the ethical landscape of organizations. It encompasses a wide range of issues, from transparency and accountability to environmental sustainability and fair trade practices. By understanding and addressing these ethical challenges, businesses can foster trust, build strong relationships with stakeholders, and contribute positively to society. Poem. In the realm of business, ethics hold sway, guiding our actions, day by day. A compass to navigate the corporate sea, ensuring we sail with integrity. Corporate governance, a pillar strong. Transparency and accountability belong. Workplace diversity, a call for inclusion, where equality thrives, and ideas find fusion. Data privacy, a precious gem. Secure and protect, we must condemn. Misuse of information, breach of trust. Respecting privacy is an absolute must. Environmental sustainability, a moral quest. To nurture the planet, we must invest. Reduce our footprint, embrace the green. Preserving nature's beauty, a duty keen. Fair trade practices, a fair exchange. Treating stakeholders with respect, not estranged. Price fixing and exploitation, we condemn. For fairness and integrity, we contend. Bribery and corruption, a stain we fight. Upholding honesty with all our might. Integrity is our shield, transparency our sword. Against unethical practices, we move forward. Intellectual property, a creator's right. Respecting innovation, shining bright. Plagiarism and infringement, we denounce. Protecting ideas, in every ounce. Social responsibility, a shared role. Contributing to society, our noble goal. Investing in communities, lifting up lives. For a better world, where goodness thrives. Supply chain management, a global link. Fair labor practices, we must rethink. From sourcing to delivery, ethical we stand. Supporting responsible practices, hand in hand. Conflicts of interest, a test of loyalty. Choosing integrity over personal royalty. Stakeholders' welfare, we prioritize. To earn their trust, we harmonize. Whistleblowing, a courageous act. Shedding light on the unethical pact. Protecting those who raise their voice. For justice and ethics, we rejoice. Ethical leadership, a guiding light. Inspiring others to do what's right. Leading with integrity, values aligned. Building a culture that's ethically defined. These business ethics issues, we explore. In our pursuit of integrity, we soar. For a world where ethics reign supreme. In business, a beacon, a virtuous dream. Asterisk 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 Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html aid = 79893335 as a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please watch more interesting videos here.